Three common English mistakes and how to fix them. Today I'll show you. Hello, beautiful people. Do you say he told that, he said me that, he is senior than me, I didn't saw him? These are wrong. Yes, these are wrong. Today I will show you three common English mistakes and how to fix them. So let's start. Mistake 1. People say he told that he is busy, but that's wrong. The correct way is he said that he is busy. Or you can say he told me that he is busy. Remember, tell needs a person, say does not. Mistake 2. People say he is senior than me, but that's wrong. The correct way is he is senior to me. Remember, senior, junior, inferior, superior, take two, not then. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters? Now, mistake 3. People say I didn't saw him. That's wrong. The correct way is he didn't see him. After did, use the base from see, not saw. Okay? So if you learned something new, like, share this video and subscribe now for more easy English tips. Thank you.